My name's Mike. This is Boosted Junkie Garage. Today we got a special kind of car. We don't really work on Mazdas a lot, but we got this customer that came in. He was having boost issues, wastegate issues, vacuum issues, electric, all sorts of issues. Everything you can think of, he had. So he brought it over to us, and we diagnosed that he had a bad boost solenoid. So we replaced that, we fixed it, we replumbed a lot of his vacuum lines, we rewired a lot of his wires. Actually, we upgraded his main wire. So we upgraded his main wire from the alternator to the battery, from the starter to the battery, and now they're just working on cleaning everything up and making sure that the wastegate works, the blow valve works, everything should work as it should. So stay tuned. You know, this is something that we don't really do every day, but we're not afraid to work on it.